Hey, what's up, internet friends? I'm out here fishing a stock stream. It's opening day of trout season here in Pennsylvania. I'm fishing Flaugherty Run, which is a really small stream, but really nice little stream. Stocked by the state. Didn't even know they stocked it until I looked it up on the map. So I decided to come check it out. Hardly any pressure. I only saw 2 other anglers, and they were at the very end down there near a park. So I've been moving my way upstream and checking it out. It's a really nice stream, stocked by the state. Unfortunately, here in southwestern PA, in Washington County, Greene County, Allegheny County, Beaver County, even some of the other surrounding counties, we really don't have the wild trout streams like central PA or the Laurel Highlands or even eastern PA and the Poconos. So we basically rely on these stock streams to get our trout fishing in, and we wait for opening day. Usually it's crazy. On other streams I've been to, there's just a million people. They're everywhere. This stream, there's hardly anybody, which is really nice, but that also means they don't stock it that much. It only gets 1 stocking through the whole season. Most other streams that get a lot of pressure get like 3, sometimes 4. So giving it a shot. I did catch a couple already, so let's keep going. Fish in this little riffles right here. So let's go ahead and see. I'm casting a shadow almost right on them, so that's probably definitely not a good thing. I may have spooked them already, but let's see what we can do here. I'm not even getting the drift I want here. That was actually a good drift right there. Let's give him a chance to go ahead and calm down a little bit. And we'll come back to him. Be some hiding in these rocks here, I think. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. And tangled as usual. Guys, got my first hook up here finally. Been coming upstream, found this nice little riffle with some rocks, and I thought there might be one in there. I should have started the camera, but I didn't. Not a very big guy, little brown trout, but I'll take it. Actually not too bad. Maybe 9 or 10 inches. Took him on a little dry dropper. Just hit my knee on a rock. That always is helpful. All right, let's see if we can't get that hook out and get him released. I was starting to wonder if they put fish up this high, up this far, and apparently they do. Calm down, buddy. I'm trying to get you out of here. Smashed down the barb on the hook, so it's pretty easy to get out. And now my hooks are caught on my net. See if we can't let this guy recover in the net. And he's good to go. 1 on the board. Finally. Guys, this is that same hole I just pulled that fish out of. I've been resting it about 5, maybe more minutes. I thought I saw another fish scurry in there when I hooked that one. So let's see if we can't catch a hook up on camera this time. See what we can do here. And not the drift I wanted, not a bad drift. See if we can't put it in the spot here this time. Nope. But we'll let it go, see what happens. So that one was hiding right in that stream where the bubbles are coming through, as would be expected. I drifted it right through there. Oh, that's a good one. And nothing doing this time. That was the spot, that's where he was. See if we can't do another one. Not bad. The sun is up now. I think my shadow's a little better at this point. Doesn't seem like they're either not in here or not liking what I'm offering right now. Actually, I see one in there. He's floating in there, I see him. And of course I'm all tangled up, so that could be the main reason why he's not going for it. So let's go ahead and get untangled and see what we can do. Okay, so I've taken off the dry fly for the dry dropper. I'm having a little trouble seeing it in this white splashy water, and I can't adjust the depth as easily as I like. So what I've done is gone with an indicator with a single nymph underneath it. I know there's a fish in here, so let's see what we can do here. And right off the bat, terrible cast, not where I wanted it. That might be a little better. And then again, maybe not. Not the drift I'm looking for. See if we can't put it in their wheelhouse. That wasn't too bad. Nothing there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go a little deeper with the indicator. Maybe I'm just not getting down there enough. And see what that does. Maybe if I can get the indicator tied on here. So I've increased the depth a little bit on the nymph. So let's see what we can do here. And not going where I want it to. Need to put it up in that moving water. There we go. That was a good drift, nothing that time. Another pretty good drift. He doesn't seem to like what I have here for some reason. Maybe I have to go even a little deeper on this guy. Looks like the nymph is okay on there. See what happens if we add another little bit to it. Next thing I might do is I may try a different fly. Ugh. There we go. Nothing that time. Give her one more shot here. That was a pretty good drift there. I've switched up my fly here, and gonna give this a shot. Let's see how this one works. It was an okay drift. Not in the wheelhouse, but in the good area. Oh, here we go. And of course, one plant in the whole area, and I get on it. All right, guys, I'm back up to near the beginning where I started at. Back where those sticks or tree is laying in the water. I know I saw some fish in there earlier. Real tough cast for me, at least. I've switched to an indicator with just one nymph. So let's see if we can't put something in there and see if there's any guys hanging out in there. And of course, I don't know why I expected anything different, but I am caught up in the tree. Spotted a couple of fish in the water here. I don't know if you can see them in there, right in the riffles. I did a few drifts by them with another different fly. I switched it up. I'm going to give this another shot, see what happens. Not the cast I wanted. There we go. Oh, nothing doing there. Or there. Give it another shot. Thought that was it. Oh, that's right where they were. I got caught on a rock. So maybe I'll give them a rest, see what happens. All right, guys, just hooked my second fish of the day. It's been really slow. Really tough fishing. Trying to get him out of this tree so I can get him up here. Kind of dragged him downstream a little bit. There we go. Nice little brownie. My gosh. I think I've maybe said it before, but if there's a treat around, I will get stuck in it. It doesn't matter. It's unbelievable. So try to get this guy back in the water. And the hook already popped out, which is a great thing. He's probably a little, about the same as the last one, 9-incher or so. There you go, into the stream. On to the next one. I moved upstream a bit, and I was walking along, and I just spotted one right in this this little current right here where the bubbles are coming through, and see if we can't hook up with him or her. And there's a lot less trees here, so that should be a good thing for me, at least. All right, here we go. First cast caught on a rock. Awesome. Can't beat that. Another one, not really drifting near him at all. So we need to get a little bit of a better angle here. See if we can't. Oh, that might be it. Nope. And I think I might have just spooked him because I don't see him anymore. Oh, I see him. He did move. See if we can get a better cast here. Nope. Not drifting anywhere near him, so need to get over just a tad more. Maybe might be something here. Nope. So where's he's at? He's on the edge of that current, on the inside, or I should say inside to the hillside, outside to me, edge of that current. And I just can't get my drift to quite go that way. And he may have spotted me already, so he may be spooked. He just darted around. I'm not sure if he was feeding or if I did spook him. Give it a couple more casts, see what we can do. Maybe come back to him. So he just moved upstream a bit. I'm stuck on a rock. I saw him move upstream. I kind of lost him at the moment. But let's see if we can't find him in here somewhere. A little bit, and I think I spotted a fish hanging in amongst these rocks right here. Right in that current. Hopefully that's a feeding lane for him and he's looking for some food. And see if we can't get a drift by him and see what happens. Right under a tree, it was my luck. I'll probably go right into it, and I did. Okay, that one came out. The next one will probably go right into it as well, but won't come out as easy. It didn't go in the tree, but I also didn't drift by him where I wanted. That drift didn't look too bad. And I got myself a leaf. Always fun. The drift I'm looking for here. That looked like a pretty good drift. Looked like it went by him. He clearly didn't take it. And the other thing, that might not even be a fish that I saw, so I may be fishing in nothing. Let's try just a couple more. That one looked like it went right over top of him, so if he didn't take that one, maybe they're not feeding like I thought. Nope. All right, let's move on. So I'm underneath this overpass, and there's a channel that runs along this wall, as you can see. Deep channel, and I spotted a couple fish in there. Let's see if they're eating or just hanging out or what they're doing. So give it a shot. Of course, as my luck goes, I'll probably get hung up in those branches, those weeds up there. The goal is not to, of course. Almost got caught up in those weeds. Let's see what happens here. Look kind of spooked a little bit. I don't know if that was from me or if they're just in general spooked. There was a guy fishing here earlier. That was a pretty good drift. So if they're not going for that, then I don't know if I have the wrong fly on or what. All right, finally got another one. Switched back to the dry dropper, and now I'm kind of convinced that it was the indicator that was spooking them. Oh! And he broke me off. Nope, he just got off. I still have my nymph. All right, well, I think I know what's working now, so see if we can't get some more hooked up. Finally hooked that fish that was by the rock there. Switched to an egg pattern with a dry draw and a dry dropper, and he finally took it. So let's see if we can keep this one on the reel, on the line here. Oh, nice brown trout. So he liked the egg pattern and finally got him. See if I can get this out with my fingers. I don't have to waste time getting pliers. Hold still, buddy. Oh, we gotta get the pliers. I smashed down the barb, but it doesn't seem to want to come out by my hand. There we go. That was nice and easy. So he's a good 10-incher. That's a nice fish. And let him get back to it. So got this guy on a little pink midge, and I floated it right past him, and I was like, didn't think he was gonna grab it, and all of a sudden he turned around and he just took off after it and grabbed it. It was the coolest thing. So let's see if we can't get him landed. He's a feisty guy for sure. Okay, that's not working out as good. Come on, get in there. There you go. Nice little brown trout. By the way, that's all they stocked here was brown trout. Maybe you can see the pink midge right in his mouth there. Ha, very cool. All right, so I just had a chubby Chernobyl on as an indicator, and I was fishing this little spot right here, and would you know, he came up, looked at that chubby Chernobyl, sipped it. I went to set the hook, and I think the egg might have been snagged on the bottom at the time, because I lost my whole rig, but the fish didn't freak out like it was stuck in his mouth or anything. So anyhow, I've been seeing a few little bugs buzzing around, so I'm gonna give this dry fly a couple shots here, see if we can get him on a dry fly take, and if so, great. If not, that's gonna be it for me today. So here we go. Little tiny dry fly on. See if we can't get him to take on that. Well, not that time. Oh, he didn't even look at it. I wonder why he was interested in the chubby Chernobyl and not the little fly. And of course, as luck would have it, that was my only chubby Chernobyl that I had. Well, that one went right over him and he didn't even budge, so. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna call it a day here. It's been fun. Real nice little stream. They stocked a good amount of fish. Just really, really tough fishing. Super clear, low water. But I did hook up with some, lost a couple. So it was a lot of fun. So until next time, cheers.